if you want to learn how to add this to your videos so that you can keep people on your channel for longer and keep them watching your videos, then keep on watching. Hello, welcome back to my channel, and if it is your first time here, welcome. My name is Tamika. On this channel, I help you to rank your videos in search, get more views, get more subscribers, and if that sounds like something that you're interested in, then please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video. So this video is going to be a beginner's guide on how to add cards to your YouTube videos. So let's jump right into it. So after you upload your video, to get to where you need to add a card, click on your profile picture, click on Create a Studio, and then you click on Video. You're going to choose the video that you want to add the card to. Then you click on Details to take you there to the editing page where you normally edit your video. And on the far right hand side, in about midway down, you're going to see your card option right here where you can click on it to add your card. Now we're in this page where it shows you where you can add your card. So you can literally scrub through your timeline to see where you want your card. So you look through it and see exactly where you want it. And to add your card, you have two options. You can go up here to the top where you see video playlist channel, or you can go down here to the bottom where you can click on this plus sign and you still have the video playlist channel where you can choose either one to add to your cards. We're going to choose video. So when you click on video, it takes you to this screen right here where you can see all the videos on your channel. And at the top, you can type in video on your channel just the same, or other videos on YouTube. Then you go ahead and select the one that you want. After you select the one that you want, it's going to take you back to this page. And you're going to see it here in the top right-hand corner. It's going to last for about 5 seconds when it pops up. And if you want to reposition it, you can play with this little nudge here in the timeline. You can move it around to where you want it. And you can also click again on this little plus sign to add another video or a playlist if you choose to. And it take you back to this page where you can choose another one. For short videos, I normally put at least 2 to 3, depending on how short the video is, 2 to 3 cards. For long videos, sometimes I use all 5. So we're back at this page right here. As you can see, I have two cards. And you can add your teaser message and your custom message, your teaser text and your custom message. That's what's going to pop up when somebody sees your video. So it's going to say, hey, it's going to say watch now or must watch or watch after this video, something, whatever. But you only have 30 characters to play with. For the custom message, that's the message that you're going to see whenever you click on the info card. So you can play with it, so you can make it catchy so people want to click on it. So you can say get more views, whatever your video is about, you can make it catchy so that they actually want to click on it. On the left hand side here, on the right hand side, you can, if you have a longer video, you can literally zoom in so that you can see all of the video, so you can add cards to the rest of the video. And over here you have an undo button and a redo button. And if in case you want to delete one of these, you can always click on it. And at the top, you're going to see a trash can right here. And you can always go ahead and delete the one that you don't want if you change your mind. But if you're satisfied with it, you just go ahead and you click saved. So whenever you're doing a video and you have cards up there, you want to make mention of it, because a lot of people either don't remember that it's there, they don't check to see if it's there, they see it pop up but they don't remember. So make mention of the card But to protect your audience retention, I would suggest that you mention your card, your info card, at the second half of the video. Because what will happen, most people will abandon this video to go click on the card and watch the other video. So therefore, try to put it in the second half of the video. At the time I'm recording this video, you can only use 5 cards per video. So therefore, if you have a short video, you're going to want to use less cards. But if you do decide to use all the 5 cards, try your very best to give them as much space as possible, just to make sure that they're not packed on each other. And if you have a long video, let's say 45 minutes to an hour, then you can spread out your info cards throughout that video as best as possible. And you want to use info card whenever you're talking about something and you have a link or other content that can support what you're saying. Then you say, okay, then refer to the info card so that they can see more information about what you just mentioned after this video. For example, if you want to learn how to rank your videos in search, then go ahead and click this card right here to learn how to rank your videos in search. Or you can click the video on the screen right here to also get that information. Thank you guys for watching, and remember, stay humble but keep hustling.